How to add a family member to ChatGPT, complete easy guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you are wondering how to add a family member to your ChatGPT account and let them enjoy all the same AI features you do. Whether you want to set up parental controls for your teen, add your spouse, or get the whole household using AI together, I have got everything covered right here. Let's get straight into it. First, the honest truth about ChatGPT family plans before we get into the steps. There is something super important you need to know up front, so you don't waste time looking for something that doesn't exist yet. As of early 2026, OpenAI does not offer an official ChatGPT family plan. I know a lot of people are surprised by this. OpenAI has not released a specific family plan, similar to those offered by Spotify or Netflix. The current subscription lineup remains focused on individual users with Plus and enterprise groups with Team and Enterprise, leaving a significant gap for households that need multiple accounts at a reasonable price. So what are your actual options? There are three main routes. Number one, the parental controls feature for teens. Number two, the ChatGPT team plan for group access. And number three, individual separate accounts for each family member. Let me walk you through all three right now. Option 1, adding a teen with parental controls. This is the official built-in family feature that OpenAI has already launched. And it is perfect if you want to add your child or teenager to ChatGPT with safety controls in place. Here is exactly how to do it. Open ChatGPT and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Select Parental Controls in the menu, then choose Add Family Member. This links your teen's account so you can choose settings together. You can invite by phone on web only or by email, and you can change or remove the link at any time. In the Invite Family Member screen, pick how to send the invite, use phone, choose your country and enter the phone number, then select Send. Depending on the contact method you chose, your teen will get a text or email with a link to connect their ChatGPT account. They'll also receive a notification within ChatGPT. Once your teen accepts, you'll see them under Family Members and can adjust settings anytime. Now here is something important about privacy. Parental controls help guide what ChatGPT shows and which features are available to your teen. Parents don't have access to their teens' conversations, except in rare cases where the system detects possible signs of serious safety risk. Parents may be notified, but only with the information needed to support their teen's safety. And one more thing, one parent can link with multiple teens, but each teen can link with only one parent at this time. Option 2, ChatGPT team plan for the whole family if you want every family member, adults included, to have their own separate login under one billing account. The ChatGPT team plan is the official way to do that. ChatGPT team is OpenAI's supported way to have several people under one billing. You simply invite your teammates or family members to your team workspace via their email. Here is how to set it up. Go to Chatgpt.com and log into your account. Click on your profile icon and navigate to My Plan. Select Upgrade to Team and follow the on-screen prompts to set up your workspace. Once your workspace is created, go to Settings and find the Members section. Click Invite Members, enter your family member's email address, and hit Send Invite. They will receive an email, create their own account, and join your workspace with their own private login. Each family member gets their own chat history, settings, and usage limits. As the plan owner, you can add and remove users, track usage, and set content filters, especially useful for kids. Now be aware of the cost. Many users assume the ChatGPT team plan is a viable substitute for a family plan, but it requires a minimum of 2 seats billed at $25 to $30 per user monthly. This means a minimum outlay of $600 per year, which includes business-grade features like admin consoles that most families simply do not need. Option 3, individual accounts for each family member. This is the simplest and most straightforward option. Each family member simply creates their own free or paid ChatGPT account at Chatgpt.com. Go to Chatgpt.com, click Sign Up, enter a unique email address for that family member, set a password, verify the email, and you're done. Each person gets their own completely private, separate account with their own chat history, custom instructions, and GPT settings. Without a bundled discount, a family of 4 would need to purchase 4 separate ChatGPT Plus subscriptions at $20 each, totaling $80 per month or nearly $1,000 annually. So if budget is a concern, the free tier is always available for family members who only use ChatGPT occasionally. Important what you should not do real quick. A lot of people think about just sharing one login and password with the whole family to save money. please don't do this. Sharing a single login risks privacy breaches and usage limits. It is also technically unstable. OpenAI systems frequently flag concurrent usage from different IP addresses or devices as suspicious, often leading to CAPTCHA challenges, temporary lockouts, or too many requests, errors. It's just not worth the headache. Quick recap: which option is right for you. If you have a teenager and want safety controls, use the built-in parental controls feature and send them an invite directly from your settings. If you want everyone on one billing account with their own login, go with the Chatgpt team plan. And if you just want the simplest setup with no shared billing, create individual accounts for each family member. Outro, and that is your complete guide to adding a family member to Chatgpt. It might not be as simple as a one-click family plan button just yet, but these options get the job done right now. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more Chatgpt tips, and drop a comment below telling me which option you went with. I'll see you in the next one. Clipboard quick recap: 3 options. Option